We need the help from you. Okay. Is the screen share visible, Monica? Manoj, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys. The topic is window to viewport transformation, guys. In window to viewport transformation, listen here. In the window to viewport transformation, what we do is normally in computer graphics, guys. First, what we do is we build an image or an object. We build an image or an object on the screen, guys. So now if you see here, this is the triangle what I'm supposed to build on the screen, and this is the screen for me. As you people know, the screen consists of pixels, guys. Screen consists of pixels, and if I try to draw an image or an object on the screen, first what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to decide upon whether the image what I have drawn is fitting into the screen or not. First, what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to first check whether the geometric object what I have drawn is it fitting inside the screen, or if it is not fitting, which part of the geometric object or what part of the geometric object is lying outside the screen. What part of the geometric object is lying outside the screen? We should check that one. See here. For that, we have one thing, guys. We have a thing called as world window. We have a thing called as world window. What this world window is going to do is, so this is the triangle, and this rectangle shape is the screen for me. This rectangle shape is the screen for me. If you see, some part of the triangle, the upper part and the lower part of the triangle is outside the screen. Means it is lying outside the boundary of that screen. That part won't be visible, guys.
Sir, not audible, sir.
Sorry. Where did I? Okay, I'll start from the first. Now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, guys, some technical problem. See, guys, in computer graphics, what we do is we build an image or an object. We build an image or an object on the screen, guys. So, as we people know, the screen consists of only pixels. Screen consists of only pixels. Now, there is a question, guys, whether the geometric object what I have drawn is lying inside the screen, or is it lying outside the screen, or first thing is it lying inside the screen? Second thing, is it lying outside the screen, or some part of the geometric object is lying inside the screen, some part of the geometric object is lying outside the screen. Some part of the geometric object is lying outside the screen, or some part of the geometric object is lying inside the screen. So see here, I have taken a geometric object as a triangle. If I draw a triangle and this rectangle shape is the screen, the triangle is the image, and this rectangle shape, the boundary from see here, the boundary from ear to ear, it is the screen for me. It is the screen for me. What it will be having is, it will be having pixels. See here, it will be having pixels with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. It will be having pixels, guys. Now, what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to check what part of the geometric object is lying inside the screen. Whether the full triangle, is it lying inside the screen, or none of the triangle is inside the screen, or part of the triangle or part of the geometric object is lying inside the screen. So if you see here, The purple color of this triangle is lying inside the screen. That's it, right? The purple color of the triangle is lying inside the screen. So rest of the part which is in yellow color, that is lying outside the screen. So now for me, what will be visible is only this part of the geometric object will be visible. The thing what I have mentioned in green color here. See here, only this part of the geometric object will be visible to me. Only this part of the screen will be visible to me, or this part of the geometric object will be visible to me. So rest of the triangle won't be visible because it is lying outside the screen, right? It is lying outside the screen. So for that, what I'm supposed to do is I am having two windows, guys. First one is word window. First one is word window. This word window, what it is going to do is it is going to give information about what to display. And I am having one more window that is called as viewport. Viewport is going to give information about where to display. Word window is going to give information about what to display. Viewport is going to give information about where to display. Okay. See guys, I will brief out. I will brief out once again. See guys, we will be building the geometric objects on the screen. The screen consists of pixels. The screen consists of pixels. The geometric object, it may lie inside the screen, or it may lie outside the screen, or some part of the geometric object it will lie inside the screen, some part of the geometric object which is going to lie outside the screen. For us, only the part of the geometric object which is lying inside the screen, it will be visible. Now, one question, guys. One question. Now, I will be assigning color. I will be assigning color to the geometric object or to the pixels which are lying inside the screen. I will be assigning colors. I will be assigning colors to the pixels which are lying inside the screen or the geometric object. Others apart from Manoj? Apart from Manoj, Jeevan and Karthikeyan, others? Monica? Guys, what we do is we assign colors to the pixels, guys. We don't assign colors to the geometric object. What we do is we assign colors to the pixels of the geometric object which are lying inside the screen. See here. So this part of the geometric object, green color, what I have done is this part of the geometric object is going to lie inside the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign colors to the pixels of the screen. Okay. Next thing is see guys, there is a lot of difference between the word window and the view window. Once again, I will tell you people, the word window is going to give information about what to display. Hey, this is my palm. Word window is going to give information about what part of my palm to display. Only these three fingers to be displayed. This information will be given by word window. Where to display, whether to display here, whether to display here, or whether to display here, or whether to display in this part. That information will be given by viewport. Okay. Word window is going to give information about what to display, and viewport is going to give information about where to display. While we are transforming from word window to view window, there will be the change in the image, guys, with respect to its size. Shape change agalla. Only change will be there with respect to its sorry. There won't be any change with respect to its position. Okay, there won't be any change with respect to its position. Positional change agalla. Shape change agalla. See here, there won't be any position, there won't be any change with respect to position. There won't be any change with respect to shape. Only change will be there with respect to its size. Only change there will be with respect to its change. This one, size of the geometric object, it will increase. Size of the geometric object, it will increase, or the size of the geometric, it will decrease. If there is a change in the size of the geometric object, we call that transformation as what? If there is a size in the geometric object, guys, the size of the geometric object will increase or it will decrease. The transformation is called as what? We have different types of transformations, right? Scaling, translation, shear, rotation, mirroring. We have those transformations, right? So if there is a change, if there is a change in the size of the geometric object, we call that type of transformation as called as what? Scaling. Jivan, Manoj, Mansoor. Apart from Mansoor, Kaif, Monica, Josna. Scaling andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ? Size of the geometric object, it will increase or it will decrease. Okay? Size of the geometric object, it will increase or it will decrease. Correct? The transformation in which we alter the size of the geometric object, not shape. Will you people agree? Scaling anta. Subhash, others. Apart from Subhash, Jivan, Manoj, Mansoor. Hey, important topic ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ. This will carry 10 marks, guys. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only Manoj, Mansoor, Subhash, Jivan, Monica, you are paying fees. Everyone is paying the fees, right? ಏನೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು. So guys, with respect to the geometric object, when we are moving the geometric object from the word coordinates to the viewport, from the word window, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. When we are moving the geometric object from the, when we are moving, is the screen visible? Is the screen visible, Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When we are moving the object from the word window to view window, its position will be retained. Its position will be retained. So what it will be changed is the size of the geometric object. It will increase or it will decrease, guys. Okay. There will be some alteration with respect to the object in the viewport. It won't be the same with respect to word window and viewport. Okay. Word window ಮತ್ತೆ viewport ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there will be some alteration with respect to the shape. Means there will be increase or decrease. So this type of transformation is called as scaling. As you people told, let us see the next thing. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So this is the word window represented with, this is the window. This is the window, guys. This is the window. This is the window, and even this is the window. Even this is the window here. So this is word window and this is viewport. Sorry, this is viewport. This is word window. This is word window and this is viewport. This is word window and this is viewport. So we are going to represent the boundaries of the word window as x with respect to w. Ashte change in enilapa. We are going to represent the boundaries as w. That is, the boundaries of the window are xw minimum, yw minimum, xw maximum, yw maximum, and here if you come here, xv minimum, xv maximum, yv minimum, and yv maximum. So what we'll be knowing is, are the boundaries understood? If the boundaries are understood, reply B. If the boundaries are understood, reply B. Praveen, Manoj, Subhash, Shashank, good Shashank. Kiran, good control. ನೀವು ಪಾಠ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. So what we will be knowing is, we will be knowing the word coordinates value. Means we will be knowing this one, guys. We will be knowing xw and yw. What we need to find is We need to find xv and yv. We know the word coordinates values. What we need to find is we need to find xv and yv. So we know the world coordinate values. What we need to find is we need to find the view coordinates values. Okay. Is it clear till here? If it is clear till here, reply till. We will be knowing xw, yw. What we need to find is we need to find xv and yv. Okay. See here. Now, what we know is we have a pixel, guys. Here we have a pixel. See here, we have a pixel at this position. So this is, I will explain once again slowly. This is xw minimum. This is xw maximum. This is yw minimum. This is yw maximum, guys. This xw minimum. This xw maximum. This yw minimum. This yw maximum. This is the boundary of the screen. This is the boundary of the screen, and we have a pixel, guys. Here we have a pixel here. We have a pixel here, that is xw yw. We have a pixel here, that is xw yw. And what we need to find is we need to find the position of this one in this screen, in the viewport. For this, how we can find the position of xw yw? How will I know where is xw yw? xw yw is got by, the position of xw yw will be got by xw. Ido. See here, this point minus this point. xw minus xw minimum all divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum. If I do that one, will I get this position? The position of xw? xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum divided by xw minimum. If I do this calculation, will I get the position of xw? If I calculate this formula, xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum. If I do this formula, if I do this calculation, will I get the position of xw?
Yes, sir.
100% we will get. 100% we will get, guys. Is that equation clear?
Yes,
xw
sir.
minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum. Reply xw if it is clear. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಣದು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. CG ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain. Okay. So in the same way, we can write for xv also, guys. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ xv ಬರಿಬಹುದು. So this is xv. So here I will use this color. So for me this is xv and yv. So this will be xv minimum, this will be xv maximum, this will be yv minimum, and this will be yv maximum. And this is xv and this is yv. This is xv and this is yv. xv minus xv minimum divided by xv maximum minus xv minimum. So we have xw is xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum divided by xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum. That is equal to xv minus xv minimum divided by xv maximum minus xv minimum. So what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to find with respect to y in the same type. I will give you 3 minutes time. In the same way, we should write for y also. Illida nodi y. See here, yw minus yw minimum divided by yw maximum minus yw minimum, that is equal to yv minus yv minimum divided by yv maximum minus yv minimum. I will give you some time, 2 minutes time. Go through these two equations which are important. Hey, Nija textbook alli istu kodtane ashte kanra. I can challenge. Nimge textbook alli bari istu kodtane. He has given these equations. Sumna nanu ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ I know something about this subject, not by birth ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I have handled this subject some 6 times. This is the 7th time handling. ಏನೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಗೈಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಪಾಪ? Go through this one, 2 equations. I will give you 2 minutes time.
ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಸರಿ ಅಂದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಸವಾಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಈ ತಿರ್ಗೋದೇ ಗ್ರೇಟು. ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಿರ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ತಿರ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೈಯೇ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ತಿರ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಷ್ಟು ಅವರೇ ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ತಿರ್ಸಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ.
Okay. Guys, is the equation 1 and this you can take xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum. A green or purple color na you can take it as equation 1 and this blue color one you can take it as equation 2. Are the equations 1 and 2 clear? If it is clear, reply 12. Reply 12. Okay, good. Artha agide. Guys, let us take an example. Okay. So we have this word window, guys. This is word window. This is a viewport. And the boundaries of the word window are xw minimum is equal to 20, xw maximum is equal to 80. Is the screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. See here, we have this boundary, guys, for the word window. Xw minimum is equal to 20, xw maximum is equal to 80, yw minimum is equal to 40, yw maximum is equal to 80, and xv minimum is equal to 30, xv maximum is equal to 60, yv minimum is equal to 40, yv maximum is equal to 60. And we have a pixel position, guys, 30, 80, somewhere here. I will use different thing. See here, we have a pixel positions at this position. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು pixel ಇದೆ. So xw yw is equal to 30, 80. What we need to find is we need to find yv and xv. We know the boundaries, we know the pixel values in the word window. What we are supposed to do is we are supposed to find the pixel values in the viewport. That is achieved by this formula. Il formula idala. Xw minus xw minimum is divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum is equal to xv minus xv minimum divided by xv maximum minus xv minimum. That is the formula what we are having. See here, guys, it will be better if you take a screenshot of this one. Illandre nimge artha agut kandra. What we need to do is we need to minus xw, that is 30, minus 20 divided by 80 minus 60, 80 minus 20, that is equal to, illida nodi, you need to apply the values here. xv is equal to xv minus 30 divided by 60 minus 30 is equal to 30 minus 20 divided by 80 minus 20. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೀವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ what you are doing is what you people are supposed to do is the formula you need to substitute the values. xv minus xv minimum divided by xv maximum minus xv minimum, that is equal to xw minus xw minimum divided by xw maximum minus xw minimum, that is xv minus 30 divided by 60 by minus 30, that is equal to 30 minus 20 divided by 80 by 20, that is xv minus 30 is equal to 30 minus 10 20 10 appa, 80 minus 20 16 appa, is equal to into ಈ ಕಡೆ xv minus 30 divided by 60 minus 30 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. we can cancel that one. 60 and 30, 32 is 60, so you will get the answer as 5. 5 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 by 2 ಕಂಡ್ರು. ನನಗೆ the thing is see here, this is xv minus 30 is equal to 5 you will get. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ xv minus xv minus 30 is equal to 5. xv minus 30 is equal to 5. So xv is equal to 30 plus 5. 30 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ it will be plus. This symbol, if it comes this side, it will be plus. So you will be getting xv as 35. So xv as 35. I'll give you 1 minute time. Guys, is this clear how we got xv? If you are clear, reply xv. If you have understood how we got xv, reply xv. Apart from Monica, Mansoor.
Sir, what is the value of xw, sir?
xw ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ xw, yw is equal to 30, 80. xw, yw is equal to 30 minus 80. We need to find xv, yv. Understood? Who asked this question? Manoj, ನೀನೇನಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ರಾಜಾ. xw, yw is equal to 30, 80. We need to find yv, xv. Sorry, xv, yv. ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Now understood? Everyone? Did you people understand this one? How we got xv? Urgent. Take time, guys. ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ. ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಟಿಫನ್ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನ ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. We have xw. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲೇ we have these boundaries, guys. xw minimum is equal to 20, xw maximum is equal to 80, YW minimum is equal to 40, YW maximum is equal to 80. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ XV minimum is equal to 30, XV maximum is equal to 60, YV minimum is equal to 40, YV maximum is equal to 60. And we know XW, YW is equal to 30, 80. What we need to find is, we need to find this one. This fellow we need to find XV, YV ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. We need to find XV, YV. For that we have this formula, guys. XV minus XV minimum divided by XV maximum minus XV minimum, that is equal to XW maximum minus XW minus XW minimum divided by ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, no urgency. We have this formula, guys. XV minus XV minimum and divided by XV maximum minus XV minimum. This becomes is XW minus XW minimum I am writing as I, and we are XW maximum minus XW minimum. We have this one, and we have, guys, XV minus 30 divided by 60 by 30 andre XV minus 30 divided by 30 is equal to 30 minus 20 estapa 10, 10 minus 60, 10 divided by 60, 10 divided by 60, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ 60 minus 30 ಬಂದಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ it will be here, it will come to numerator. So what we can do is we can divide 30 and 60, 32s are 60, so we will be getting 10 by 2, we will be getting this one 10 by 2. So 10 by 2 is equal to 5, 10 by 2 is equal to 5, and we have XV minus 30 is equal to 5. So XV minus 30 is equal to 5, XV is equal to 30 plus 5, so 35 ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, is this understood here till here? If it is understood, reply VX.
Share the screen, sir.
Control. Okay, I will repeat once again. Hey, screen ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. Okay, sorry. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. We have these boundaries, guys. XW minimum is equal to 20, XW maximum is equal to 80. Now is the screen and my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. XW minimum is equal to 20, XW maximum is equal to 80, YW minimum is equal to 40, YW maximum is equal to 80. XV minimum is equal to 30, XV maximum is equal to 60, YV minimum is equal to 40, YV maximum is equal to 60. And we have XW, YW is equal to 30, 80. What we need to find is, we need to find YV and XV. We need to find YV and XV. For that we have the formula, guys. Formula is XV minus XV minimum. XV minimum is 30 here, divided by XV maximum minus XV minimum, that is equal to XW. XW is 30 here, XW is 30 minus XW minimum. XW minimum is 20 whole divided by XW maximum. XW maximum is 80 and XW minimum is 20. So we have this equation now. So what happens is, if you solve this equation, XV minus 30 divided by 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 is 30. 30 minus 20 is 10. 80 minus 20 is 60. So we will be getting XV minus 30 is equal to 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. 80 minus 20 is 60. 10 divided by 60. Illi XV minus 30, illi denominator na, if I bring here, if I bring this denominator, it will come to numerator part, right? So it will be 10 divided by 60 into 30. So 30 and 60 gets cancelled. So 32s are 60. So I will be left out with 10 divided by 20. Illi 10 divided by 20 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. So 10 divided by 20 is 5. So I have left out with XV minus 30 is equal to 5. XV minus 30 is 5. So I will be getting XV is equal to 30 plus 5. I will be getting XV as 35. Now, guys, is this understood? If it is understood, reply 35, guys. Now I got XV is equal to 35. If you got till here, reply 35. Everyone, Manoj. Monica, Kiran, Subhash. Respond, guys. Manoj, artha aitena? Reply through voice.
Yes, sir.
Others, Monica, Kiran, Subhash.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Others, girls, Monica, Kavya, no, Kavana era irtadru papa. Monica. In the same way, you need to find YV also, guys. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ YV ನಮಗೆ YW ಗೊತ್ತು, YV ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. YV minus 40, YV minus YV minimum divided by YV maximum minus YV minimum. That is equal to YW minus YV minimum divided by YW maximum minus YW minimum. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ XW YW is 30, 80. So YW is 80. YW is 80. YW minimum is 60. YW minimum is 60 and sorry. YW minimum is 40. YW maximum is 80. So YW is 80. So it will be 80 minus 40 divided by 80 minus 40. You go through this one, guys. Illi redding kal bardi YV minus 40 divided by 60 minus 40. That is equal to 80 minus 40 divided by 80 minus 40. So we'll be having YV minus 40 is equal to 60 minus 40. YV minus 40 is equal to 20. YV is equal to 25, 20 plus 40. YV is equal to 80. Take the screenshot. Guys, is this topic understood? 101% guarantee question for the examination. Reply topic if it is understood. Shashank bhai. Others. Hey, if this topic is understood, 10 marks is yours control. Hey. Okay. Do one thing. I'll give an assignment. You upload by today evening. Okay. I'll give an assignment. Okay, ನಾನು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡ್ರ, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. I don't like to give assignments, guys, to be frank enough. Okay, ಏನೋ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್. With my experience through online, you people can understand, guys. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, we need your contribution and concentration.